Janelle Schaefer here again with Sheep Hill Herbs, hailing from Eastern Pennsylvania. And I'm so glad that you have happened upon my channel. And if you have already subscribed, thumbs up, thank you so much. If you haven't, take a moment to subscribe before you leave, because every subscription, like, and awesome comment helps this channel grow. So I would be super grateful to have your personal mark as you leave. So thank you, and let's get started today on how to burn. So I'm outside and it is a very nice sunny bright day, so don't mind me squinting a little bit here. I wanted to be outside just to do this, and also because the light is very nice. It's just really sunny. So I have in front of me here a number of smudge sticks. This is one I purchased, and it is white sage, and it has a very nice sage scent, and it is typically used for cleansing a house of odors or even bad energies. I have a number of other sticks that I have made. This is goldenrod, and I thought I would experiment with the goldenrod this year because I have so much of it. It is growing everywhere, and I have burned a smaller one, and it's nice. It's very subtle, but it's nice. And then I have mugwort, which I have already burned, and mugwort is probably my favorite smudge stick. Very good for clearing energy and uplifting mood, and for promoting dreams or good dreams before you go to bed. And then I have peppermint, and this one has of course, peppermint smell to it, which is really nice. And to be honest, I often burn if there is a fish odor, or if I'm cooking fish, or we have a dog, so sometimes I go around the porch where his sun porch where he sleeps, and it just purifies the air and revitalizes everything. Or if there's like a grumpy day and you just want to change the energy. And then this is again just the small goldenrod that I experimented with. So I am going to use this bigger smudge stick just so you can see more easily. So what you do is just light the one end. And I have a little bit of a wind here. So all the plants burn at different rates, and you can see, I don't know if you can see, that it's smoking. So once it starts smoking, you want to kind of blow on it. And I should have mentioned this. When I'm doing a smudge stick, when I'm burning one, I have a ceramic dish, usually bigger than this, that I hold under me or under my hand as I'm lighting, and I carry this with me room to room so that any ash or anything might just fall down onto the bowl and not anywhere else. And I hear someone coming, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Anyway, you can see the smoke coming off the top here, and you kind of have to just blow to encourage it, and you might have to take the lighter and light a little bit more to get it to go. And as long as you just kind of blow on it, or you can actually use a feather, and the feather kind of disperses the smoke and keeps it lit. And when you're ready to put it out, what I do is I actually just dunk it in some sand. I have a sandbox, and I just took some sand inside, and that's what I do to put them out. So that is lighting a smudge stick. It's pretty easy.